lot of you have been asking me about the Mi Band 6 lately. Well, finally it has been launched in India and I have it with me here. Well, I don't know the pricing of this yet, so what I'll do is I'll put the price in the description box so you can check it from there. But in this video, we are going to unbox the Mi Band 6. Also, I'll take you through its features and specifications. You're watching India Today Tech. I am Manas Tiwari. So here's the Mi Band 6, and as you can see, it's a slightly different packaging. We have used to of seeing all Xiaomi products in an orange packaging, but this one comes in a black box. A few of these specifications are mentioned here. So this one comes in AMOLED display, there is SpO2 monitoring and a lot of other things which we'll talk about as we unbox the device. Also, Xiaomi has sent me two straps of different colors, and you can see here that these are Mi Smart Band 5 straps, but they are also compatible with the Mi Band 6. We'll have a look at them as well later on. Now let's just unbox the Mi Band 6. So inside the box, the first thing that you get is the Mi Band 6 itself, and nicely packed inside this plastic covering. So this is the Mi Band 6. The one which I have here is the black color variant, but you can buy this in 6 different color options. You can also buy the straps and change and give it a customized look later on as well. So I'll keep this aside. Let's also look at the other stuff that's in there. So you get a charger. This one is a 2-pin charger that you get with the Mi Band 6. So you can see the 2 charging pins at the back. So you can basically connect the charger to this and use an adapter to charge Mi Band 6. I'll keep this aside as well. And apart from that, you only have a user manual in the box. So there is nothing else that you get. So in order to start the band, you need to connect it to Xiaomi's MiWear app using your smartphone, and the entire process takes just a few seconds to complete. So I've set up the Mi Band 6, and as I told you, it takes just few seconds to connect to the Xiaomi Wear app, and within few seconds the band is active and running. And this one comes with a 1.56-inch AMOLED display, which is I think quite a decent display. And as you can see here, I will show you very closely, there are absolutely little to no bezels, and that's something really good to see from Xiaomi's end. And whatever little bezels are also there, they've also been hidden very smartly by the company. Now what I'll do first of all is I've also got another color strap here. So let's try and remove this band and put it with the another strap. So this is a very hassle-free process again. So it takes a few seconds and you can customize your band quite easily and give it an entirely new look, by the way. So you can buy these different color straps and use them as per your need. In terms of features now, what you get on this band, first of all, you get 60 different band displays, and all of those can be accessed from Xiaomi's Wear app again. So if you'll see here, there's a separate category altogether for band displays, and you can download any of these and transfer them to the Mi Band 6. Although there are a few other things within the app, so you can receive your calls as well as some of the app notifications on the Mi Band 6. So all of that you can activate from the Xiaomi Wear app. Now one of the key features of this band is that it comes with 30 different sports modes, and it can also auto detect 6 modes. These include outdoor running, indoor running, etc. So it's again a good feature because you usually get these features on smartwatches, but Xiaomi is giving this on a fitness band. Also there is SpO2 tracking, so you can monitor your oxygen levels using that, and there is also heart rate monitoring, so you can monitor your heart rate as well using this band. So again, 2 very useful features. And as you can see here, there are also different workout modes on the band as well. You can also use the band as a remote control for your music, also for your camera. So these are again additional features, but then again these are common with most of the bands. What I really like is though the display on the Mi Band 6, because it's very bright, it's very colorful as well, and kind of looks good. If you see the home screen itself, the number of colors and the the resolution that you get here is actually quite impressive for a fitness band, which is not costing you a lot of money. Now lastly, when it comes to the battery life, this one comes with the 125 mAh battery, and Xiaomi claims that this can last for about 14 days on standby, and it takes about 2 hours to charge this fitness band. In fact, when I got it, it almost ran out of battery, and within 10-15 minutes I was able to charge it to about 20-25%. So the battery seems to be quite good as well. This was our first look at the Mi Band 6. I really like the fact that Xiaomi has used a bigger display here. You get almost 50% more real estate than you got on the previous Mi Band. Also, there are 15 new sports modes, and Mi Bands have always been popular in the Indian market, especially because of the value that they offer. And once again, Xiaomi has come up with a very decent and promising product. Of course, these are early days, and I'll be testing the Mi Band 6 over the next few days, and will bring you a detailed review on India Today Tech as well. But if you liked our unboxing, please don't forget to subscribe. Also tap on the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any updates from our side. Thank you for watching.